Here practice set 2.3. State the order of the surd. आपल्याला इथं काही सर्ड्स दिलेले आहेत आणि त्याचे आपल्याला काय लिहायचे आहेत, ऑर्डर्स लिहायच्या आहेत. हिअर फर्स्ट एक्झाम्पल इज क्यूब रूट ऑफ 7. तर इथं ऑर्डर कुठं पाहतो आपण, ते स्क्वेअर रूट आहे, क्यूब रूट आहे किंवा फोर्थ रूट आहे, nth रूट कुठला आहे ते आपल्याला लिहायचं आहे. इथं आपल्याला क्यूब रूट ऑफ 7 आहे म्हणून याची ऑर्डर किती आहे, ऑर्डर इज 3. नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल, वी हॅव 5 टाइम्स रूट 12. हे एक्झाम्पल दिलेलं आहे तुम्हाला 5 इंटू रूट 12. 5 इंटू रूट 12. इथं पहिल्या एक्झाम्पलमध्ये हा जो 3 आहे हा कुठं आहे, आपल्याला इथं साईनच्या इथं लिहिलेला आहे आणि म्हणून दिस इज द क्यूब रूट ऑफ 7. इथं 5 इंटू स्क्वेअर रूट ऑफ 12 आहे म्हणून 12चं कुठलं रूट आहे आपल्याला, सेकंड रूट किंवा रूट 2 विचारलेलं आहे म्हणून याची ऑर्डर किती आपल्याला, ऑर्डर इज 2. नंबर 3, फोर्थ रूट ऑफ 10. Here order is 4. Then fourth example, square root of 39. स्क्वेअर रूट लिहिताना इथं आपण 2 लिहित नाही त्याच्यामुळं आपल्याला याची ऑर्डर किती लिहावं लागेल, 2. ऑर्डर 2. Then we have fifth example and that is a cube root of 18. So here order is 3. Then second example, state which of the following are surd. State which of the following are surds. Justify. Here we have given first example that cube root of 51. इथं आपल्याला जस्टिफाय करायचं म्हणजेच ते सर्ड का आहे हे आपल्याला सांगायचं आहे, त्याचं कारण आपल्याला सांगायचं आहे. क्यूब रूट ऑफ 51. आता 51चं जर आपण प्राईम फॅक्टर घेतले तर आपल्याला कसे येतात ते, 5 + 1 that is 6. So this number is divided by 3. 51 is also divided by 3. So 3 into 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 21. 3 is prime number, 17 is also prime number. So here if we write this as 3 into 17, we can't find the cube root of 51. So cube root of 51 is a surd. रिझन काय याचं, क्यूब रूट ऑफ 51 इज इरॅशनल नंबर. हे सॉल्व केल्यानंतर आपल्याला रॅशनल नंबर मिळत नाही आणि म्हणून आपण जे डेफिनेशननुसार पाहिलं होतं, आपल्याला जो रेडिकँड आहे, रेडिकँड आपल्याला पॉझिटिव्ह पाहिजे, तो पॉझिटिव्ह आहे. त्याची ऑर्डर जर पाहिली आपण तर ऑर्डर किती इथं 3 आहे आणि कंप्लीट क्यूब रूट ऑफ 51 हा आपल्याला रॅशनल नंबर नाही आहे, इरॅशनल नंबर आहे आणि म्हणून क्यूब रूट ऑफ 51 इज अ सर्ड. number 2 we have given, that is fourth root of 16. Fourth root of 16. Here 16 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 2 that is 16. So here fourth root of 2 to the power 4, and here we will get the answer. This order 4 and 2 to the power 4, these two get cancelled and we get the answer 2, and 2 is the rational number. Here 2 is a rational number. And so fourth root of 16 is not asserted. जर आपल्याला दिलेला नंबर जो आहे तो आपण सिम्प्लिफाय केला आणि आपल्याला जर रॅशनल नंबर मिळाला तर आपला तो सर्ड नसतो, इरॅशनल मिळाला तर तो सर्ड असतो. Fifth root of 81. This fifth root of 81 can be written as, here we can write, this is the fifth root of 81. 81 can be written as 9 into 9, which will be further 3 into 3 into this 9 also 3 into 3. So this is fifth root of 3 to the power 4. Here we cannot explain this example further, so we can write here fifth root of 81 is irrational number, and so it is a surd. Then we have square root of 256. Here root of 256 can be written as, this is the square root of 56 is the square of 16. So this is the 16 square, and we will get cancel here. Order 2 and power of 2 of 16 get cancel. 16 ची या here 16 to the power 2 and here order is also 2. So we get the answer equal to 16, and 16 is a rational number. And so root of 256 is not a surd. Next example is cube root of 64. 64 आपण कसा लिहू शकतो? Here cube root of 64, 4 into 4 into 4, 4 into 4 that is 16, 16 into 4 is again 64. So here 64 can be written as 4 to the power 3, and here we will get this 3 and this 3 get cancelled and we get the answer 4. So 4 is a rational number. Here 4 is a rational number. And so cube root of 64 is not a surd. Then sixth example, root of 22 upon 7. here we can't find the square root of 22 as well as the square root of 7. So here root of 22 upon 7 is a irrational number. Here root of 22 upon 7 is irrational number. So it is a surd. Here we have to classify the given pair of surd into like surd and unlike surd. आपल्याला काही एक्झाम्पल दिलेले आहेत, पेअर दिलेले आहेत, म्हणजे दोन सर्ड दिलेले आहेत आणि ते दोन्ही सर्ड आपल्याला लाईक सर्ड आहेत की अनलाईक सर्ड आहे ते शोधायचं आहे. सो रूट 52 कॅन बी रिटन ॲज 4 into 13. Then root of 4 into root of 13, which will be equal to square root of 4 is 2. 2 root 13. Next surd is 5 root 13, which can be written as it is, that is 5 root 13. Here order of both the surd is 2 and radicand is 13. Here order of both surds is same, that is 2, and radicand is equal, that is 13. And so we can write root 52 and 5 times root 13 are like surds. काय करायचं, आपल्याला ज्या पेअर दिलेल्या आहेत त्यापैकी दोन्ही आपण सिम्प्लिफाय करतो. सिम्प्लिफाय केल्यानंतर दोन्हीची ऑर्डर पाहायची किती आहे. दोन्हीची ऑर्डर सारखी असल्यानंतर पाहायचं की रॅडिकल साईनमध्ये जो नंबर असतो त्याला आपण रेडिकँड म्हणतो. रेडिकँड पाहायचा. रेडिकँड जर सारखा असला तर ते दोन्ही सर्ड्स लाईक सर्ड आहे असं आपण म्हणतो. नंबर 2, root 68 and 5 root 3. Now write root 68 and simplify it. Root 68 equal to 4 into 17. So further we can write here root of 4 into root 17, which can be written as root of 4 is 2 root 17. Then we have given 5 times root 3. Here order is equal. Order of both the surd is equal, that is 2, but radicand is different. Here order of both surds is equal, but radicand is different. So root 68 and 5 root 3 are unlike surds. Next pair is given 4 times root 18 and 7 times root 2. So we will simplify first 4 root 18. 4 times root 18. This can be written as 4 into 18 can be written as 9 into 2. So this is 4 root of 9 into root 2. So this will be equal to 4. Root 9 is 3 to root 2, and we will get here 4 into 3, that is 12 root 2. Again next is given 7 times root 2. So this can be written as 7 times root 2. Here radicand is 2 and order is also 2. So we can write order and radicand of both surds are equal. So 4 times root 18 and 7 times root 2 are like surd. Next example is 19 root 12 and 6 root 3. So first simplify this 19 root 12. So this is 19 into root 12 can be written as 4 into 3. Then 19 root of 4 into root of 3. 19 into root of 4 is 2 root 3, and we will get here 19 into 2, this is 38 root 3. Next surd is given 6 times root 3. 6 times root 3. Here order of both the surd is 2 and radicand is 3. Here order and radicand of both surds are equal. So we can write 19 times root 12 and 6 root 3 are like surds. In example number 4, here we have to simplify the following surd. We have given some examples and we have to simplify this surd. So first example is root of 27. So root of 27, this can be written as 27 can be written as 9 into 3, and this is equal to root of 9 into root 3, and root 9 is 3 and 3 times root 3, and this is our answer. Number take second, root 50. Root 50 can be written as 25 into 2. Again root of 25 into root of 2. Root of 25 is 5 root 2. Root of 250. This can be written as root 250 equal to root of 25 into 10. So this will be root of 25 into root of 10. Here root of 25 is 5 and root of 10. Root of 112. रूट 112 सिम्प्लिफाय करण्यासाठी काय करावं लागेल आपल्याला. हिअर वी हॅव टू फाइंड आउट द प्राइम फॅक्टर ऑफ 112. सो लेट अस फाइंड द प्राइम फॅक्टर ऑफ 112. नाउ दिस नंबर कॅन बी डिवाइडेड बाय 2. सो डिवाइड बाय 2. हिअर वी गेट 2 5s are 10 and 2 6s are 12. Again we can divide by 2. 2 2s are 4 and 2 8s are 16. Again we can divide by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. Again 2, 2 7s are 14. Again we can divide by 7. 7 1s are 7. And here we will get 1. So these are the prime factors of 112. So root 112 can be written as root of 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7, or this can be written as 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 2 16, and 6. We can find out the root of 16. So this can be written as 16 into 7, and so this is root of 16 into root of 7, and we will get the answer. Root of 16 is 4 root 7. Root of 168. Again find the prime factors of 168. Here we will divide by 2. 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8. Again divide by 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. Again divide by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Again divide by 3. 3 7s are 21 and divide by 7. 7 1s are 7. Here we get the prime factor 7 3 2 2 2. So this root of 168 can be written as square root of 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. So here we get this one pair 2 into 2 4. Then we can't find out the square root of 2, square root of 3 or square root of 7. So this can be written as root of 4 into root of 7 into 3 21, 21 into 2 42. So this will be equal to 2 root 42. Here we have to compare the following surds. First example is 7 times root 2 and 5 times root 3. Here we are given two surds and here we have to compare these two surds. So we can write this surd as 7 can be written as 7 root 2 and 5 root 3. 7 can be written as root of 49 into root of 2. 5 can be written as root of 25 into root of 3. Again we can write root of 49 into 2. This can be written as root of 25 into 3. So this will be 49 into 2 is 98 Again, this is 25 into 3, this is 75. Here 98 is greater than 75. Here 98 is greater than 75. So here we can write root of 98 also. Root of 98 is also greater than root of 75, and so we can write 7 times root 2 is greater than 5 times root 3. Second example is given root of 247 and root of 274. Clearly here we can say 247 is less than 274. Here 247 is less than 274. So clearly we can say first sir, that is 247 is also less than 274. Next example is given 2 times root 7. Another third is root 28. We can write this third as, this is 2 can be written as root 4 into root 7. This is root 28. Again this can be written as 4 into 7, root of 28. So this is equal to 7 into 4, that is 28, and this is also root 28. Here 28 and 28 are equal. Here 28 equal to 28. So we can write first, sir, that is root 2 root 7 is equal to root of 28. Next pair is given 5 times root 5 and 7 times root 2. Here 5 times root 5. 5 can be written as root of 25 into root of 5. This can be written as 7 can be written as root of 49 into root 2. Again this is 25 into 5, root of 25 into 5. This can be written as root of 49 into 2. This will be 25 into 5, 125. Here we will get 49 into 2, that is 98. Clearly here we can say root 125 is greater than 98. 125 is greater than 98. So we can write root of 125 greater than root of 98. So 5 times root 5 is greater than 7 times root 2. Next example is 4 times root 42 and 9 times root 2. So this can be written as, 4 can be written as root 16 into root 42. Or here we will simplify. First 4 root 42. 42 can be written as here 4 can be written as 16 into root of 42. Again 9 can be written as root of 81 into root of 2. So 16 into 42 and this is 81 into 2. Here multiply by 16 to 42. 16 into 2, that is 32. Here we will get 3. 16 into 4, 64, 67. Then 81 into 2, this will be 2 and 16. Here clearly we can say 672 is greater than 162. So root of 672 is also greater than root of 162, and we can say 4 times root 42 is also greater than 9 times root 2. Next example is 5 times root 3 and 9. Here 5 can be written as root of 25 into root of 3, and 9 can be written as root of 81. So here 25 into 3, here is root of 81. Again 25 into 3 is 75 and root of 81. Here clearly we can write 75 is less than 81, and so root of 75 is also less than root of 81, and we can write 5 times root 3 is less than 9. Last example is 5, 7 and 2 root 5. 7 can be written as root of 49. 2 can be written as 4 into root 5. So this is root 49, and this can be written as 4 into 5, root 49, root 20. Clearly 49 is greater than 20. So right, root of 49 is greater than root 20. Clearly we can write 7 is greater than 2 times root 5. Here we have to simplify 5 root 3 plus 8 root 3. हे सॉल्व करण्यासाठी पहा आता इथे आपल्याला रूट 3 आहे, इथं सुद्धा आपल्याला रूट 3 आहे. रूट 3 आपण कॉमन जर घेतला तर आपल्याला काय येईल रूट 3. हिअर वी विल गेट 5 आणि इथं काय रिमेनिंग 8. सो हिअर वी विल गेट रूट 3 into 8 plus 5, it is 13, and our answer is 13 times root 3. Number 2, we have 9 times root 5 minus 4 times root 5 plus root of 125. पहिला सर्ड आहे. इथं पहा रॅडिकल साईडमध्ये आपल्याला 5 आहे, इथंही 5 आहे, इथं आपल्याला 125 आहे. तर आपल्याला याला 5 मध्ये आधी काय करावं लागेल, कन्वर्ट करावं लागेल. त्यावेळेस आपण याला सिम्प्लिफाय करू शकू. सो 9 टाइम्स रूट 5 प्लस मायनस 4 टाइम्स रूट 5 प्लस 125 can be written as 25 into 5. Again we can write 9 times root 5 minus 4 times root 5 plus 25 can be written as root of 25 can be written as 5 root 5. Now we can simplify this. We will take root 5 common. So here we will have 9 minus 4 plus 5 and common root 5, and 9 plus 5 दोन्हीचे साइन कसे आहेत आपल्याला सारखे. 9 आणि 5चं साइन आपल्याला पॉझिटिव्ह आहे. 9 plus 5 this will be 14. 14 minus 4 that is 10. 10 times root 5. This is our answer. थर्ड एक्झाम्पल दिलेलं आहे आपल्याला 7 टाइम्स रूट 48 मायनस रूट 27 मायनस रूट 3. तर आपल्याला लाईक सरडवर आपण ॲडिशन सबट्रॅक्शन करू शकतो. इथं जर पाहिलं आपण तर रॅडिकल साईडमध्ये आपल्याला काय आहेत रूट 3 आहे. म्हणून आपल्याला प्रत्येक ठिकाणी रूट 3 काय करावं लागेल, याला आपल्याला कन्व्हर्ट करावं लागेल. सो हिअर वी विल राईट 7 इंटू 48 कॅन बी रिटन ॲज 3 इंटू 16 minus 27 is also can written as 3 into 9 minus root 3. Again this 7 root of 16 can be written as 4 root 3 minus root of 9 is 3 root 3 minus root 3. आता आपण रूट 3 कॉमन घेऊ. दिस रूट 3 अँड रूट 3 हा आपण कॉमन घेऊ. इथं काय राहिलं आपल्याला 7 इंटू 4 दॅट इज 28. हिअर वी हॅव 3 अँड हिअर वी हॅव 1. जिथं आपल्याला इथं रूट 3 बाहेर काढल्यानंतर इथं काहीच नाही आहे, म्हणजेच 1 आहे. अँड कॉमन रूट 3. नाव 28 minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4 root 3 and we will get the answer 28 minus 4 is 24 root 3. Fourth example, root 7 minus 3 by 5 root 7 plus 2 times root 7. सर्व सरळ जे दिलेले आहेत आपल्याला त्यांचा रॅडिकँड सारखाच आहे 7 7 अँड 7. ऑर्डर इज ऑल्सो सेम. हेअर इज ऑर्डर इज 2, हेअर इज ऑल्सो ऑर्डर 2 अँड हेअर इज ऑल्सो ऑर्डर 2. सो हिअर विल टेक फर्स्ट रूट 7 कॉमन. रूट 7 कॉमन काढल्यानंतर आपल्याला इथं काय राहील 1 मायनस 3/5 आणि आपल्याला इथं राहील 2 आणि आपण कॉमन काढलेला आहे रूट 7. Now simplify the bracket. So here we have plus 1 and plus 2. This will be 3 minus 3/5 root 7. Again solve the bracket. 5 into 3 that is 15 minus 3 upon 5 into 1 that is 5 root 7. And so 15 minus 3 that is 12 upon 5 root 7. First we will simplify 3 root 12. Root 12 can be written as 4 into 3 into root 18 can be written as 9 into 2. So this can be written as 3 root 4 into root 3 into root 9 into root 2. So 3 into root 4 is 2. Root 9 is 3 into root 3 into 2. 3 into 2. So here we will get 3 into 3, 9 into 2, that is 18. Root 3 into 2 is 6. Now solve this example. 3 root 12 into 7 root 15. So this can be written as 3 into root of 12 can be written as 4 into 3 into 7 into 15 can be written as 5 into 3. So this is 3. Root of 4 is 2. Here we have remaining root 3 into 7 into root 5 into root 3. Then we will multiply 3, 2 and 7. 3 into 2 into 7 into, here we have root 3 into root 5 into root 3. So this will be equal to 7 into 2, 14. 14 into 3, 42. Then we have root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3 into root 5. And we will get 42. Root 3 into root 3 is root 9 into root 5. And here we will get the answer 42. Root of 9 is 3. Root 5. So 3 into 2, 6. 3 into 4. It is 20, 12. Root 5. Third example is 3 root 8 into root 5. 3 into root 8 can be written as 4 into 2 into root 5. So this is 3 into root 4 into root 2 into root 5. So 3 into root 4 is 2 into 2 into 5, and this is 3 into 2, 6. Root 5 into 2, 10. फोर्थ एक्झाम्पल 5 रूट 8 इंटू 2 रूट 8. तर आपल्याला मल्टिप्लिकेशनमध्ये रूट 8 आणि रूट 8 दोन वेळा आलेला आहे, म्हणून काय करू आपण, हिअर वी विल राईट 5 इंटू 2 5 इंटू 2 इंटू रूट ऑफ 8 इंटू 8 which will be equal to 10 root of 64, and this is 10 root of 64 is again 8, and we will get the answer 80. 10 into 8, 80. Here we have to divide and write the answer in simplest form. First example is root of 98 divided by root 2. So root of 98 divided by root 2. Here we can simplify. 98 can be written as 49 into 2. So root of 49 into 2 upon root 2. So this is 49 root of 49 into root of 2 divided by root 2. Here root 2 get cancelled, and we get the answer root of 49, which is equal to 7. Then we have root of 125 divided by 50. Root 50. So root of 125 divided by root of 50. We can write it root of 125 divided by 50 divided by 25. Here we will get 25 2s are 50. 25 5s are 125, and we will get the answer root of 5 by 2 or root 5 upon root 2. Root 54 divided by root 27. We can write it as root 54 divided by root 27. Then we will write it as root of 54 divided by 27. 27 1s are 27, 27 2s are 54. So here we will get root 2. Root 310 divided by root 5. So root 310 divided by root 5. We'll write it as root of 310 divided by 5. Divide by 5 to both sides. 5 1s are 5. 5 6s are 30. And 5 2s are 10. So here we get root of 62. तर 62 जर पाहिला आपण तर 62ला आपण जर डिवाइड केलं दोन पार्टमध्ये तर कसं लिहू शकतो आपण 31 इंटू 2. आणि 31चं आपल्याला स्क्वेअर रूट काढता येत नाही आणि 2चं सुद्धा स्क्वेअर रूट काढता येत नाही. सो हेअर वी गेट द आन्सर रूट ऑफ 62 ॲज इट इज. Here we have to rationalize the denominator. First example is 3 upon root 5. 3 upon root 5. आपल्याला जो डिनॉमिनेटर दिलेला आहे, डिनॉमिनेटर इथं इरॅशनल नंबर आहे, त्याला आपल्याला रॅशनलाइज करायचं. तर आपल्याला काय करावं लागेल, त्याच्या रॅशनलायझिंग फॅक्टरने त्याला मल्टिप्लाय करावं लागेल. सो हिअर दिस कॅन बी रिटन ॲज 3 upon root 5. We will multiply numerator and denominator by root 5. Here we are going to multiply by root 5, and here is also root 5. Here we will get 3 times root 5. Then here root 5 into root 5 will 5 into 5, which will be equal to 3 times root 5, and here we will get root 25. Then 3 times root 5, and root of 25 is 5. Here the denominator is rationalized. Then we have number 2, 1 upon root 14 equal to 1 upon root 14. आता आपल्याला रूट 14ला जर रॅशनलाइज करायचं तर here we will multiply with root 14 and root 14. This will be equal to root 14 into root 14 square, which will be root 14 upon 14. रूट 14चा स्क्वेअर जर केला आपण तर that will be root of 196, and again we have to find out the square root of 196, that will be 14. Here the denominator is rationalized. Number 3, 5 root 7 So this is 5 times root 7. Here we have to multiply by numerator and denominator by root 7. So here is root 7 upon root 7. We will get here 5 times root 7 and root of 49. This will be 5 times root 7 and upon root 49 square root, that is 7. In fourth example, that is 6 upon 9. 6 upon 9 root 3. आधी याला सॉल्व करून घेऊ आपण. याला 3 2 जा 6 and 3 3 जा 9. We get here 2 upon 3 root 3. Now rationalize the denominator. Here we have to multiply by root 3. So here we will multiply by root 3 and here is also root 3. So this will be 2 times root 3 upon 3 into root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3. This will be 2 root 3 upon 3 into root 9 and we will get 2 root 3 upon 3 into 3. Square root of 9 is 3 and we will get here 2 root 3 upon 9. Eleven upon root 3. This can be written as 11 upon root 3 multiply by numerator by root 3 and denominator by root 3. Here we will get 11 root 3 and this is root 9 and we will get here 11 root 3 upon 3. Here we have completed our practice set 2.3.